This year in Minnesota, we had a really tough growing season. It started out with a July 20th windstorm, over 70-mile-an-hour winds. We used Climate Field View this year with the field health imagery for scouting, and we prioritized fields that were damaged a little more in the wind than others. And we were proactive with our customers. We used the Climate Field View field health imagery along with drones and walking the fields to come up with a plan for checking out the fields that had severe wind damage and ones that didn't. So that way, by the end of the growing season, we knew exactly what we were going to expect with yields.